Top 5 Best Smart Kitchen Appliances of 2025. Upgrade your kitchen with the latest smart innovations. These top 5 appliances combine modern design, powerful performance, and smart connectivity for effortless cooking and entertaining. From air frying to ice making, experience the future of convenience and taste in every meal. Number 1. Ninja CRISPi Pro Glass Air Fryer 6-in-1 Smart Glass Cooking System with Reheat, Roast, Bake, Dehydrate and Max Crisp Functions. Dishwasher safe, BPA-free glass containers, 6 QD capacity, silver/gray, cooking functions, air fry, max crisp, roast, bake, reheat and dehydrate for all your favorite meals. Glass cooking chamber, watch your food cook with crystal clear visibility. No guessing required. BPA-free glass containers, safe, non-toxic cooking with dishwasher safe glass bowls and leak proof. Lids. High performance crisp technology, even heat distribution for crispy, golden results every time. Family sized 6 QD capacity, perfect for cooking meals for up to 10 people. Easy cleanup, all removable parts are dishwasher safe for quick, hassle-free cleaning. Sleek modern design, stylish glass and steel aesthetic complements any kitchen decor. The Ninja CRISPi Pro Glass Air Fryer redefines smart cooking with a revolutionary glass design that lets you see your food crisp to perfection. Featuring 6 versatile cooking functions: air fry, max crisp, bake, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, this powerful kitchen companion makes healthy cooking effortless. The BPA-free glass containers double as storage bowls, allowing you to cook, serve, and store in the same dish. Designed for families, the 6-quart capacity easily handles large meals, while the dishwasher-safe components ensure simple cleanup. Whether you're crisping fries, baking desserts, or roasting chicken, the Ninja CRISPi Pro delivers consistent. Number 2. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Compact, 8-in-1 Countertop Convection Oven with air fry, toast, bake, broil, roast, and reheat functions. Element IQ System, stainless steel, cooking functions, air fry, bake, broil, roast, toast, reheat, warm, and pizza for everyday versatility. Element IQ System, smart heat control distributes power precisely for perfect results every time. Powerful air fry mode, achieve crispy, golden textures using super convection airflow. Compact yet spacious, fits 4 slices of toast, a 12-inch pizza, or a small roast, ideal for small kitchens. Fast preheat, reaches optimal temperature quickly to save time during busy meals. Easy to clean, non-stick interior and removable crumb tray make cleanup simple. Modern design, premium brushed stainless steel finish complements any countertop. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Compact combines precision cooking technology with a space-saving design, perfect for modern kitchens. Powered by Element IQ technology, this oven intelligently distributes heat across its elements to deliver evenly cooked meals every time. Enjoy crispy air-fried favorites, perfectly baked pastries, or roasted vegetables without needing a full-size oven. With 8 versatile cooking functions, a compact footprint, and a sleek stainless steel finish, this appliance makes gourmet results achievable on your countertop. Cleanup is effortless thanks to the non-stick interior and removable crumb tray, making it a must-have for anyone seeking convenience, performance, and style in one smart oven. Number 3. Instant Pot 4 QD RIO Mini Multi-Cooker, 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté, yogurt maker and warmer. Compact, easy to use, stainless steel appliances in one: pressure cook, slow cook, steam, sauté, rice cook, yogurt, and keep warm, all in one smart compact unit. Even heat technology ensures consistent temperature and perfectly cooked meals every time. Smart programs, one-touch controls for soups, rice, beans, meats, and more. 0.4 QD capacity, ideal for small families, couples, or meal prepping without taking up counter space. Easy cleanup, dishwasher safe lid, inner pot, and accessories. Enhanced safety features, over 10 proven safety mechanisms, including overheat protection and pressure control. Modern redesign, RIO series sleek look with an intuitive digital display and smooth control panel. The Instant Pot 4 QD RIO Mini Multi-Cooker delivers the power of 7 kitchen appliances in one compact and modern design. Perfect for small spaces or everyday cooking, it combines pressure cooking speed with slow cooking flexibility and the convenience of smart one-touch programs. The upgraded even heat technology provides. Number 4. Chef IQ Smart Cooker, 10-in-1 Wi-Fi and app-connected multi-cooker with built-in scale, auto pressure release and guided cooking. Smart kitchen appliance, 6 QD capacity, stainless steel, smart app control. Connect via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth using the Chef IQ app for guided recipes, cooking charts, and live monitoring. Built-in smart scale, precisely weigh ingredients directly in the pot for perfect measurements every time. 10 cooking functions: pressure cook, slow cook, steam, sear/sauté, sous vide, rice, ferment, proof, keep warm, and more. Guided cooking mode, step-by-step visual and audio instructions built into the app for foolproof meals. Auto pressure release, automatically releases steam safely after pressure cooking. Easy cleanup, non-stick inner pot and dishwasher safe. Accessories. 0.6 QD capacity, perfect size for family meals or batch cooking. Over-the-air updates, constantly improves with software updates and new features. The Chef IQ Smart Cooker combines the power of a multi-functional pressure cooker with the intelligence of a connected smart kitchen appliance. Featuring built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, it pairs seamlessly with the Chef IQ app for real-time monitoring, smart recipes, and automatic cooking adjustments. Its integrated scale ensures precise ingredient measurements, while the auto pressure release adds convenience and safety. With 10 versatile cooking modes and a 6-quart capacity, you can pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, or even sous vide with ease. Sleek, intuitive, and endlessly capable, the Chef IQ Smart Cooker is designed to simplify cooking while delivering chef-level results at home. Number 5. GE Profile Opal 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker, countertop nugget ice machine with side tank, Wi-Fi connectivity and Alexa/Google voice control, produces crunchy Sonic-style ice, stainless steel, soft, crunchy nugget ice. Enjoy chewable, restaurant-quality Sonic-style nugget ice, perfect for drinks and cocktails. Smart connectivity, built-in Wi-Fi with Smart HQ app compatibility for remote control, scheduling, and monitoring. Voice assistant support, works with Alexa and Google Assistant. 4. Hands-free operation, large side water tank, extended ice-making capacity with less refilling, up to 24 pounds of ice per day. Rapid ice production, produces the first batch in as little as 20 minutes. Self-cleaning system, keeps your ice maker fresh and odor-free with minimal maintenance. Compact and stylish, sleek stainless steel design fits beautifully on any kitchen or bar countertop. The GE Profile Opal 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker transforms your home beverage experience with the same soft, chewable nugget ice found in your favorite restaurants.